Power BI career opportunities in 2024, explore trending career options. Businesses are constantly looking for new ways to use data to make strategic decisions in today's data-driven world. The need for experts in data analysis and visualization tools has increased.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Increased as a result of this. As the market leader in this area, Microsoft Power BI has doubled Power BI career opportunities for all those looking to prove themselves in the data analytics and business intelligence industries. Power BI Architect. Power BI architects design and oversee the implementation of Power BI solutions, ensuring they align with organizational goals. They develop data models, create best practices, and collaborate with data engineers to optimize data pipelines. Their expertise lies in data governance and compliance, making them essential in shaping robust data strategies. Power BI Developer. Power BI developers are responsible for crafting interactive and informative reports and dashboards using Power BI. They collaborate with data sources to ensure data quality, design data models, write complex DAX expressions, and troubleshoot performance issues. Average salaries for different Power BI job roles. Salaries in the Power BI field can vary based on factors such as experience, location, and the specific company. Here's an overview of the average salaries for different Power BI job roles as per the Glassdoor report. Power BI developers, $80,000 to $120,000. Business Intelligence Analysts, $70,000 to $110,000. Power BI Business Analyst, $70,000 to $110,000. Power BI Data Analyst, $60,000 to $100,000. BI Consultant, $90,000 to $140,000. BI Specialist, $75,000 to $120,000.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.